What could it be? A toy, a treat, or mystery? Open it up and shout hooray! Surprise eggs make the brightest day. Collect them all, big and small. Surprise eggs bring joy to all. So grab one now, let's take a peek. What's in your egg? Let's go and see. What's inside? A little treasure for me to find. Yellow, pink, or maybe blue. Each surprise is